everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita De and this vlog is about my recent trip to Guwahati and Meghalaya. This trip was planned by me and my mom mainly for mind refreshments. So let's get started with the video. Let me take you dancing like that.
Hello everyone, we are currently at NGP station and our train got late by 2 hours. Actually we were standing upstairs, but since our train is late, so we came downstairs and got a seat.
हाय हाँ बोल रहे हैं क्या हम लोगों ने अभी सब कुछ सैनिटाइज कर दी। हाँ फिर बैठे हैं तो गलत मत सोचा कि थप्पे से बैठ गए। एंड हम लोगों ने दो मास्क हाँ दो मास्क अंदर में कॉटन मास्क है और ऊपर क्या है सर्जिकल मास्क। तो सेफ्टी फर्स्ट देन ट्रैवल।
हॉस्पिटल जगह बैठे रहना पड़ेगा।
हाँ अगर अभी हम लोग नहीं मानेंगे कोरोना सपोज नहीं मानेंगे प्रोटोकॉल नहीं मानेंगे तो हम लोग जाके हॉस्पिटल में जाके बैठना होगा एंड 2 लाख के ऊपर तो चला जाएगा।
I don't know why I was feeling so weird at that time. Maybe because I was traveling by train almost after a year. And also maybe I was trying to vlog and people was watching me as if what I was doing. My voice didn't record properly, so I'm repeating. Our train arrival time was 12:40 a.m. But since it got late, we have reached Guwahati by 2:40 a.m. And I was really tired at that day. Means the whole day we were just packing and the whole train hectic journey. So. Okay, this is the Guwahati railway station vaccination verification counter, and those who doesn't have the vaccination, they can go for the COVID test itself.
Hello everyone. Actually, we arrived yesterday to Guwahati in our home at around 3 a.m. in the morning. So after that, we have some tea and we slept. Okay, now we are going to Kamakha Temple. Me, my dad, and my uncle is going to Kamakha Temple, and we will be coming back around lunchtime. So let's see. I will show the Kamakha Temple as well. Stay tuned.
I hope you can see the famous Brahmaputra river on the right side of the road. Okay, let me inform you that to travel to Assam, you have to be completely vaccinated if you are eligible for it. Since my sister is a minor, so she needed to show her COVID test report prior 72 hours. And if you're single dose, then also you need to show the COVID test report. Vaccination is very important, otherwise you will not be allowed to worship from inside the temple premises. You have to worship from outside area. Now we are going towards the temple. There are various stores from where you can buy the prasad and all the things which we require to worship Ma Kamakha. I will not be vlogging much inside the temple because I don't feel like, and there were also a lot of monkeys. So this is few pictures which I clicked inside the temple premises. After this we will be waiting for the special ticket which is required to go inside the temple. By looking at my face, you can say that I was a bit tired because night also I couldn't sleep much, and in the morning we came without breakfast. So now we will be having lunch. Now we are heading back to our home. Tomorrow we will be traveling to Meghalaya. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till then, goodbye.